these things today. The center caps, the wheel caps, they finally, everyone's always complaining. I never had an issue with it. They were actually really good. They've come loose all around now, so I'm gonna take a ride to Home Depot and show you guys what I ordered. Home Depot sells these sinkhole covers. So once I've done one before, so I want to show you guys how I did it. I ordered one. I'm about to go pick it up. I also bought a small little GoPro carrying case, which I'm using to carry my stuff in and out my Nelson rig bag. So I'll just throw it in there, open it up, I'll put whatever cameras I want in here, and I could just take this with me instead of having to take the bag on and off every time I'm home. Alright guys, we're gonna take a quick ride. Let's do a little weather check. It's 81 degrees out here in Port St. Lucie today. And back where I was home, it's 63. It's not bad. 63 is not bad, but still not 81. We're gonna head over to Home Depot. Where's my tabs at? Alright, we're gonna head over to Home Depot and we're gonna pick up this sinkhole cover. It's by Danko. There's another one by OK, which is like $2 and something, but I've already bought 2 of these, so I'm kind of used to these 2. So I'm gonna continue to use that one. I had only purchased 2 because I still had one of the covers on. Finally, the last from the rear kind of started getting loose. It's gonna come off, so I might as well just get the next one and just replace it. So get it at Home Depot. This one's about $4.27. I mean, you're looking at less than 15 bucks for 3 versus paying 40 bucks for the ones that say Ryker. And these you can paint and do whatever you want with them. I'll show you. Alright, let's take this ride. These palm trees wrapped up like candy canes. Gotta love it in Florida, man. I'm telling you. It's gonna be my first winter here. I'm in love. Alright, so we're getting here to the Home Depot. It's not a far ride at all. I already pre-ordered it, so we just gotta go up to one of the lockers, put in a code, and get what we ordered. Alright, so we're getting here to the Home Depot now. I'm gonna see if I pick up that stuff from the locker and take it from there. Make it back to the house, try to see if I can show you guys how to install it. Not sure if you guys ever used the Home Depot lockers, but very simple, worth it. You don't have to if it's small items, you don't have to worry about going inside and asking for anything. You can just go right up to the locker and pick it up, which I think it works for small little items. And now here it is. There it is. That's it. That was easy. Grab your items. And you go. That's it. That was easy. Has a chrome finish to it. It's an 1.5 inch faucet hole cover. I've used 2 before, so wait for it. They actually don't look bad. Just grab everything, just kind of throw it in there. That's it. this is it. So if you're looking for it, you just need to get that. I'm just gonna kind of scratch it up so I can give it some texture, so I can get some of that shine off. Rough it up a little bit. So the paint could adhere to it. See, I just kind of like took off the shine a little bit. Once you take that off, you just paint it. I happen to have some gold. I did my daughter's handles on her cabinet. I mean, I hope you can see it, but I mean, just with one coat it looks good. So you just let it dry for a couple minutes. Look, I already had, I replaced the rear, and I already had one here. So I had taken the one from here off, and I put it in the back tire. But remember, you gotta squeeze it, the little prongs, you gotta squeeze it in a little bit more, because if not, it's not gonna fit in the rear. You're gonna feel like you can't do it. And also, when you're putting them in, try to put it, there's a little, you know, from this hook, put it in between the clips. Make sure it's like lined up so you can push it in. But for about 15 bucks, I was able to do that versus buying a whole new set. If I want to change them to a different color, I can. Alright, once it's dry, you see that it has like a little groove here from the clip. Just try to like line it up with the insert there, and just push it in. And that's it. Now you have a wheel cover piece there, centerpiece, for $4. So that worked out great. They actually look really nice once they're all put in. That was for less than 15 bucks. I was able to do that whole thing. If you liked anything that I said today, please like, comment, subscribe. It'll help me grow my channel. Thank you.